So you want to be chosen. You want to be desired. You want to be top priority. And you deserve nothing less, babe. But the reason that you're wanting that so badly is because we don't have it. That is how naturally contrast works. When we don't have something that we want, we actually desire it. So if you're getting ghosted, abandoned, rejected, blocked, of course you're going to want to be chosen, desired, looked after, cherished, and adored. The problem is that when people start applying a manifestation tool to actually get what they want, but they haven't yet aligned the energy, it's kind of like going on a train that is at 100 miles an hour. Probably trains go much faster, right? But the train is going really, really fast in the direction of where you don't want to go. The way you feel, not chosen, abandoned, discarded, blocked. And when you apply the manifestation tool, it accelerates that. So you're heading faster into that direction. You've probably already seen the pattern. It's not the first time you get blocked, ghosted, not chosen, because the pattern lives inside of you. And wherever you go, you take that pattern with you into any new relationship. What people don't understand about what needs to happen in order to start tapping into that new energy that you want to embody, the being chosen, being desired, and being wanted, is that you need to stop the train. You can't shift the direction of the train if it's going at 100 to 200 miles per hour. You need to completely put it to a stop, and better if it's gently, and then learn to shift into that new direction. The direction you're headed, if you've been abandoned, not chosen, hurt, or rejected, is more of the same. We don't manifest what we want, we manifest what we're an energy match to. And if that's what you've been getting, then you're a match to it. You're gonna get more and more of it unless you pluck out that pattern from inside your being. You're the one that is an energy match to the pattern. As long as you're trying to change that pattern in someone outside of you, you're giving away your power. There's no way you can control other people to make them prioritize you. There's no amount of begging or chasing or pleading that's going to make someone else prioritize you. Nobody wants to be controlled or manipulated into any sort of action. The pattern lives inside of you. This is where you have all the power. And when you learn to pluck it out of you by shifting the direction of the train in the best way possible, then, my love, you become an energy match to exactly what you want, being claimed, chosen, and cherished, because that's what you deserve.